Are your students ready for the new school year? Many kids struggle to get motivated when school begins. Kids need to be strong in your curriculum. They need strength in science, effective math skills, excellent reading comprehension, and a strong foundation in character education. But how can you get kids engaged in these subjects? Now, there's a way to do it, and you can get kids excited about all of them. Here's the secret. I'm Chris Johnson, and I deliver the most exciting, entertaining educational assemblies in Western New York. I have 9 assembly topics, so I can help reinforce your school's curriculum regardless of the subject. My assemblies are easy to host, too. Every program features incredible magic. Join in fun and onstage volunteers. Every show is filled with curriculum-based content. I even bring my own PA system and wireless microphone. With over 20 years of experience, I guarantee your faculty and students will be thrilled. And in fact, if you don't feel I delivered on my promise, I'll refund your payment and I'll even donate $500 to your school's PTA. No other assembly presenter offers a guarantee like this. You have no risk. To bring the best Western New York assemblies to your school, contact me today.